Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now when you're looking for your next vehicle, there should be three things that you want to consider. Firstly, condition. Secondly, service history. But most importantly, price. So let me tell you all about our car. This is our 2012 62 plate LandRover FreeLander GS TD4. It's the 2.2 turbo diesel, 6-speed manual. It doesn't have a cam belt, it has a chain. Lots of people always ask that question. It has a chain. So, take a good look. It's finished in silver. You've got extra bright driving lights. The bodywork is in beautiful condition. Extra driving lights in the front. Headlamp washers. Tinted windows all round, rain sensitive wiper. You've got side repeater indicators built into the side air vent and large, in fact beautiful large mirrors. If we look inside, in fact first impression are the seats. They're finished in dark leather. It's a very dark grey leather and tan Alcantara centres and backs. You've got two armrests, one for the passenger and one for the driver. Obviously it's four-wheel drive. You've got four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low and two-wheel drive. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. If we look to the door, we have electric windows front and rear and electric mirrors and folding mirrors as well. It has the stop-start functionality. It's got radio, CD player, economy mode, heated front seats. It's a lovely car. When you're buying something like this, when you're looking for a FreeLander or any four-wheel drive, they tend to come into the two groups. You know, a lot of people use them for off-road, so they're bound to have a hard life. This hasn't. It's been well cared for. It's got full service history. It's recently had new tyres all round. It hasn't been bouncing up and down the curbs and going on pavements, as you can see by the condition of the wheels. I'll go around every wheel so you can see for yourself. Let's take a look in the rear. Again, the back seats have never really been used. You've got ISOFIX seat fixings for the children's seats and lots of leg room. If you want to use the vehicle as a towing vehicle, the previous owner had a tow bar fitted, which was a LandRover tow bar, cost him over £500. It's got twin electrics and it's also detachable. It's got rear parking sensors, rear wiper, and again we spoke initially about conditioning. Let's look in here. Now that area has never really been used ever, I would say. The parcel shelf is retractable, it comes in and out. If you're the rear passenger, your range of vision is very good. If we look underneath, you know, that spare wheel has never been used. Condition is so important. Now some facts and figures for you. The CO2 rating is 165 and your road tax isn't too bad, it's only £210 a year. Fuel wise, urban you can expect 38.2, extra urban 50.4, and combined 45.6. Top speed is 112 miles an hour, and it's got a brake horsepower of 147. There's no cam belt to worry about. It has a chain. And like we said earlier, it's got full service history. These are all the things that are most important whenever you're buying a car. Now let's look at the wheels on the near side. We said before about, people going off-road and banging the curbs and doing all sorts of weird, wonderful things. There's not a mark on that. There's the tyres. If we look to the front, this is the one that will get the damage. Nothing on that at all. Beautiful. If I'm hypercritical, there's a little mark. In fact, it might even be just a little bit of dirt. But beautiful condition. Let's look on the passenger side. Electric seats. Great condition with the passenger seat. There's no stains, there's no marks, there's no grime. In the rear, I'm being hypercritical with everything. Now, all our vehicles carry a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our vehicles have been fully sanitised for everyone's protection. So if you're interested, pick up the phone, give me a call. Come and have a test drive. As we're walking around, I'm looking to see if there's any, dents or bumps or marks, and I can't find anything. So we look forward to hearing from you. My name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 858066. Thank you for watching.